about electric cars that no one is questioning about. 1. Battery production. It's estimated that the production of a battery for a Tesla Model S, for example, emits up to 15 tons of CO2, the equivalent of driving a gasoline car for about 8 years. 2. Grid load. It's estimated that if 1 in 4 cars on the road were electric, it would be equivalent to adding nearly 1 million new homes to the power grid. 3. Source of electricity. In regions heavily reliant on coal for electricity, an electric car could generate more emissions per mile than a comparable gasoline car. For instance, in 2018, the UK's National Grid reported that EVs generate approximately 75 GCO2/km from well to wheel when charged from the grid, compared to 85 to 115 GCO2/km for petrol cars. 4. Battery disposal. Currently, less than 5% of lithium-ion batteries are recycled. This creates a significant waste problem as more electric vehicles enter the market. 5. Rare earth mining. It's estimated that a single Tesla requires approximately 15 kilograms of lithium for its battery. Lithium mining can use 500,000 gallons of water per ton of lithium. 6. E-waste. As of 2021, global e-waste generation was around 53.6 million metric tons, a number expected to increase with the proliferation of EVs. 7. Manufacturing emissions. The emissions from the production of an EV are around 30% higher than a conventional vehicle, primarily due to battery production. 8. Dependence on non-renewable resources. For instance, a typical electric car battery requires about 25 kilograms of lithium, 30 kilograms of cobalt, 60 kilograms of nickel, and 110 kilograms of copper. 9. Water usage. To produce 1 ton of lithium, approximately 1.9 million liters of water are used. This has led to water scarcity issues in places like Chile's Atacama Desert, where a lot of lithium is sourced. 10. Cobalt mining issues. About 60% of the world's cobalt is sourced from the Democratic Republic of Congo, where it's estimated that around 20% of cobalt comes from mines that may use child labor. 11. Land use and biodiversity impact. Mining activities for the raw materials needed for EV batteries can lead to significant land use changes and potentially harm biodiversity. For instance, lithium mining in the Atacama Desert has been reported to negatively affect flamingos by disturbing their feeding grounds. 12. Energy-intensive materials. The production of aluminum, which is often used more in electric vehicles than conventional cars due to its lightweight properties, is highly energy-intensive. For example, the production of a single kilogram of aluminum can produce around 10 kilograms of CO2. 13. Lithium availability. There is an estimated 17 million tons of lithium globally, which might seem a lot. However, with an annual production rate of 82,000 tons, as of 2020, and considering the growth of EVs, there are concerns about the supply running out.